So let's start in that good posture. Feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now take the feet nice and wide, with toes facing forwards. So engage the thighs, and we'll inhale, lift up with the right arm, exhale over to the left. Come back to center, inhale, exhale over. Center, inhale, and exhale. And back to the middle, swap the arms. So inhale, lengthen that left arm, exhale over to the right, back to center. Inhale and exhale, and center, inhale and exhale. And come back to center, bring the hands to the hips. We'll come into the forward bend. Inhale, exhale, coming forwards, bring the body parallel to the ground, or whatever you get to, then come back up. Again, inhale, exhale, coming forwards, trying to keep the back straight. Back to the center, and inhale, exhale, coming forwards, head and neck relaxed, then back to center. So we'll add the back bend, so palms of the hand into the lower back, elbows squeeze together, and we'll inhale, exhale, look up. Inhale there, exhale, come forward to that halfway point, then back up to the middle. Inhale, exhale, look up, inhale there, exhale, forwards. And coming back up, the last one, inhale, exhale, looking up, inhale there, exhale, come forwards. You either stay at that halfway point or reach the hands down towards the feet. Then bend the knees and roll on up through the spine. So balance pose, we'll do star pose. So standing on that left leg, bring the right leg up, belly button squeezed in. Try and lengthen the arms, lengthen that leg. And we'll do the other side. So standing on the right, bring that left leg up. And bring the leg down. We'll do two more each side. So inhale first, exhale, lift the leg. Inhale again, exhale, lift a little higher. Inhale and exhale a little higher if you can, and coming down. Inhale, exhale, lift the leg. Inhale, exhale a little higher. Inhale, exhale higher if you can, and coming down. Inhale, exhale, lift that leg. Keep breathing. On to the other side, stand on the right. Inhale, exhale, lifting that left leg as high as you can, and breathe. And bring the leg down. Okay, so warrior one, we'll have the right leg forward, left leg back. So the right knee is bent, left leg straight, with the foot slightly angled towards the front foot. Now if you want to, bring the arms up either side of the head, pressing the palms together or have the palms apart. We're just going to do one each side, so keep the pose active. Keep lengthening through the arms, trying to sink down through the middle. And bring the hands to the chest, bring that back leg forward, onto the other side. So I'm going to have that left leg forward and the right leg back. So bending that front knee, back leg straight, the back foot slightly angled. And bring the arms up either side of the head, pressing the palms together. And bring the arms down, bring that back leg forward. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.